This video is made for educational purposes. Some clips contain additional text to further explain the situation.
Tabarnak!
So you need to put a general apology out at the house, just about the car mats. Okay.
And then that white car hits us on the side. Dude, the car's the one that's up there, right?
Watch. So they're all following
I think the
pretty
car's
close.
on the road, but I don't know about that SUV. It might have gotten away.
Traffic slows.
Oh, okay, so that car over there.
That SUV.
Oh man.
Holy.
What's up with this guy? Wisconsin. Bro, you're allowed to pass there. Let him pass.
He's throwing.
Oh wow.
What?
But he lets the guy with the trailer pass? Oh.
Dude, yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo, where are the police? Oh no. Are they gonna fight? They're gonna fight! Oh nah. Yeah, it's time to fight, buddy. What?
In front of us, and crossing the road, and they're everywhere. Just run a red light. Just run a red light.
Whoa, hold on. What's going on?
No, that was, what the fuck was that?
Fucking noise. Might have been a smell like some
I think it's fucking drunk.
But the driver has been identified as a 31-year-old Frenchman born in Tunisia. He was not on the French intel watch list, but was known to police as a petty criminal. Wins News Time 9:04. President Obama is reacting by offering French officials any assistance they need to bring those responsible to justice.
The president releasing a statement after the Nice attack saying he can...
Whoa! Господи!